Just wait. You are fixing to see behind my clothes. Let me show you. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. I hope everybody's having a great week. It is almost Christmas time. Where has this year gone? I have not even started Christmas shopping, and I know a lot of you haven't either, but I can see from my YouTube analytics that about 91% of my viewers are male and about 9% of them are female. And guys, you might want to let your women see this video because I know what you want for Christmas. Now, there are two things that y'all have wanted since you were little boys. One is to fly. Two is X-ray vision. And I'm fixing to show you how you can get it. Now, I know what you're thinking. We're all over 40 here. Our eyes don't work anymore, but I'm telling you, I know how to give you X-ray vision. Now, I know you still don't believe me that it is X-ray vision, but just wait, just wait. You are fixing to see behind my clothes. Let me show you. All right, guys, here we go. I'm bare and all. I am turning on the X-ray vision. I'm going to split screen it for you so you get a good up close view. And I'm going to show you what I have underneath my clothes. All right? Christmas. It's me. Everybody knows what I look like. All right? See it? See it? Oh, but what's that? What is that? I don't know, guys. Tell me in the comments. Do you know what that is? That's weird. It's X-ray vision. Are you kidding me? Say hello to the TOPDON TC004 thermal imaging camera. This thing's awesome. Now, I want you to see how sensitive this thing is, okay? This is my wall. All right. Nothing going on. I'm gonna put my hand there for 1 second. Not even a second, it was like half a second. You can see the handprint and it stays there. Do it for a little longer. And it's blinging. That's crazy. Now, I am not sponsored by anybody. TOPDON didn't pay me to do any kind of advertisement for them at all. They actually sent this to me about 8 months ago and asked me if I'd do a video on it. But like I said, I don't do review videos, so it wasn't really a top priority for me, but I love this thing. I mean, we use it mostly for car repair because we can see, troubleshoot areas where exhaust is leaking or something like that. Ron was wrapping his exhaust and he wanted to make sure everything was even. This worked out exceedingly excellent for that. When it comes to small engines, there's a lot of things you can use it for, like maybe if it's a twin cylinder and one side's not firing, it's an immediate, you'll be able to see and diagnose quickly without having to dig into it. But I mean, not just that, this thing has tons of uses for other professions. Tired of looking for your studs? Look no further. If there's any difference in temperature between the outside and inside, you'll be able to see every one. And when it comes to teaching thermodynamics, I think every science room needs one of these because some people are just visual learners. And can you imagine having this thing in the deer stand with you, being able to see if you've got a buck, a doe, or a squirrel coming at you before dawn? This thing is insane. Now, say you're in plumbing and you need to see pipes behind a wall. This will find it. If you are doing electrical and you need to see wires running, it will point them out to you behind the wall. It's great for construction, home inspection. If you're in HVAC, I mean, this is a huge for HVAC to be able to see any kind of leaks or anything like that. But it's cool just to have around your house because you can go around and check and see where you have things running and putting off a bunch of heat and using up a bunch of electricity that you don't need to. All right, I want to show you this too because I want to take you outside and show you. I mean, it's dark. I got my lights on right here, but other than that, it's dark everywhere. Look at that. You can't see that tree, but you can in the thermal image. It's raining a little bit out here, but you gotta check this out. My car, you can tell it was running earlier, hours ago. But check this out. I mean, I can't see really. I mean, it's dark, but I can see exactly where I'm going. I wonder where my cats are. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitties. here, Kiki. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Let's see. Come here. Come on. Wow, I'm probably about 35 feet away from my cat, and you can see it all the way across the yard. Come here, babies. What are you doing? Yeah, come here. This is Jezzy, who does not usually let me pet her. Yeah, she's like, I ain't having none of that. Oh, where's Khajiit? There's Khajiit. Come here. Khajiit will let me pet him. This is crazy. Yeah, look at that definition and brightness in the pitch black. If you were hunting early in the morning, I'm telling you guys, this is the way to go. You'd be able to see deer way off. Now, this I'm a little worried about. Just came into the laundry room, and this outlet's blinging. Like, why is that so... It is a little warm to the touch. Are those supposed to be, those GFIs supposed to be like that? I better ask Ron. Huh. Well, that one is warm too. But if we come around to a regular one, it's not. So I asked Ron and he said, yes, it's okay for the GFI outlets to make that kind of heat. One thing that seems cool to see is just water. That's pretty neat. It's still cold. Wait till it gets hot. Oops, there it goes. Hot water just started. That's crazy. Seeing it mix like that. It's sort of beautiful. It's like lava. I don't want to bore you, but I do want to give you some technical specs. When you're recording or looking through it, you can see 3 different points. One is the highest temperature that it's mapping, one is the lowest temperature it's mapping, and then it also lets you know whatever you're pointing at. Now, this thing ranges from like -3 degrees all the way up to 662 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. You figure out the Celsius. I'm in America. You're able to snap pictures with it. You're able to do video with it. You're actually able to plug it up to your computer and load their software, and you can analyze all of the data that you took while you were running it. It's really cool. On top of that, you can use a up to like 16 gigabyte mini SD drive, and the power on it, I've never had to charge it really. It lasts for 12 hours of running time. So I haven't ran it actually for 12 hours because pretty much you use it for a few seconds, you figure out what you need, you diagnose, you're done. To top it off, it's one of the only tools I've seen on Amazon to have almost a 5-star rating. The thing is, $369 though, but you see here, they've got some kind of $80 coupon that you can apply. I'm not sure about that. I'd have to look into it, but that would help. And it's got a super big display screen with super easy controls. If I can do it, you can do it. Yeah, guys, so that's as close as we're getting to X-ray vision, but hey, it's one hell of a Christmas present. It doesn't matter if you are a hunter, a home builder, an electrician, a plumber, a home inspector, a mechanic of any sorts. This thing will come in handy. I mean, you don't have to be any of those things and just have it for around your house, and it's still super cool. So guys, thanks again for tuning in to Chickanic. If you haven't found me at Facebook, find me at facebook.com/Chickanic. Find me on Instagram at TheRealChickanic, or find me at Chickanic.com where you get your own t-shirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts. Thanks guys, and have a great day.